You know I can't help these, cause they know they can never touch these.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Alright, so from this video onwards, we will looking at the what are OOPs and what is object oriented programming, what are classes, what are objects and everything related to the OOPs. Okay, so I welcome you all of very exciting section that is OOPs. So in this section, this section is very important and it's the main part of the whole course. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start with this video. Okay, so when we talk about object oriented programming design, or I can say object oriented programming, right? Like we say that Java is object oriented programming language. Okay, so it is. And so when I talk about OOPs, basically we talk about two things, okay, that are classes and objects. Okay, so these two things are the core part of the object oriented programming language. Got it? So most of the students find one thing very difficult in this object oriented programming design is that what is the main, like, they try to understand like what is the main benefit of this whole design. Okay, so एंड हम इसको यूज़ भी क्यों करते हैं, why are you using object oriented programming design. So from this video onwards I will be making it really easy that what is OOPS and how you can use this OOPS, okay, in programming language, and how you can create and create, write and maintainable code using this design that is known as object oriented programming language. Okay, now before driving into the core concept of the OOPS, let's first try to understand these two terms. Okay, what is the terms object and the classes. Okay, so my first question is, what is object? Okay, or what is an object? So can I say that everything that you see around you is an object? Like आपके आसपास जो भी कुछ दिख रहा है वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, क्या हम मान सकते हैं? Anything that has some property is an object. उसके लेट्स सपोज आपको कोई डॉग दिखता है, उसके जितने प्रॉपर्टीज हैं क्या हम उसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट मान सकते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, can I say like dog is an object? Okay, and we can say like a dog can have a height, right? We are person, we have also a height and skin color. Okay, so if uh, if if dog have a color, it can have a breed as well, and it can have a weight, and it can have some behavior, right? So like there are more properties as well to a dog, और हमारे भी कुछ properties हैं, but I can say that yes, we have properties. There are some properties that dog can have, and we have some properties that man can have. Okay, so similarly I can say that if I talk about myself, like my name is Shalu, right? And I have certain properties like I have skin color, मेरे पास height है, and like I have weight also, and मेरे कुछ behaviors हैं, okay, right? So and also I have some location from I belong to, right? So and also I have nest, I have, like, I'm Indian. This is also in properties. Okay, so there are certain properties, or I can say certain characteristic that are attached to me. तो ये सारे जितनी भी चीज़ है ना जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, जो कुछ भी मेरे से रिलेटेड है या डॉग से रिलेटेड है, जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ है उसको हम ऑब्जेक्ट कह सकते हैं. ओके, this property is known as object. Okay, so we are clear, right? We are clear what is an object. So everything is object, whether it's your mobile phone, whether it's your laptop, whether it's your table, or whether it's your air conditioner, or whether it's your mic. Okay, whether it's anything. Okay, so everything is an object. Okay, now if I say there is a dog right now and there is a dog one, मान लो, मतलब अब हम ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट दो तरीके से होते हैं, मतलब मेरे पास मान लो दो डॉग है, डॉग वन एंड डॉग टू। सो देयर इज ए माइन्यूट डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू डॉग्स। अब आप ये पूछोगे कि कैसे उन दोनों, अगर हमारे पास दो डॉग हैं उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज थोड़ी सी तो डिफरेंस होगी, राइट? क्या प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंस हो सकती है? लाइक there is a possibility that this kind of dog be black, okay, and this dog can be like golden, right? दोनों के कलर डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं। जैसे किसी का, अगर किसी पर्सन का कलर है, मेरा कलर फेयर हो सकता है, किसी और का ब्लैक हो सकता है। लाइक डॉग के भी कुछ ऐसे ही कलर्स डिफरेंस होंगे, है तो डॉग ही बट उनके कलर डिफरेंस है, ओके, उनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज डिफर कर रही हैं, ओके। सो this can have a different behavior and this can have a different behavior, दोनों के different different behavior होंगे, ओके, बट डॉग तो सेम ही है, डॉग एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया। सो आई कैन से दैट प्रॉपर्टीज आर सेम, लाइक they both have right, they both have height, they both have color, they both have weight, okay, but the value of those properties are different, okay, correct? मतलब उनकी जो वैल्यूज को हम मान लेते हैं, कलर को हम वैल्यूज मान लेते हैं, वो दोनों डिफरेंट होते हैं उस डॉग में, ओके। डॉग वन है, डॉग टू है, उन दोनों के कलर्स डिफरेंट हुए, तो जो कलर्स है ना वो हमारी वैल्यूज हो गई, ओके। Okay, so what? So basically, what I'm saying is that, can I say that the dog basically belong to an animal class, a animal category? Okay, so, or I can say that a dog basically an object of a animal class. डॉग तो हम पहले से ही बता चुके हैं कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, बट हम उसको एक कैटेगरीज में डाल दिए कि एनिमल्स एक कैटेगरी है और उसके अंदर हमने डॉग को डाल दिया। तो उस एनिमल क्लास के अंदर ना बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट आ सकते हैं, okay, like dog is an object because it have some properties, but like what are the properties dissembled? Like I can say dog has four leg, right? Anything that has a four leg, can I say it is not, it is an animal? मान लो अगर किसी के पास, किसी भी जानवर के पास अगर चार पैर है तो उसको हम एक एनिमल की कैटेगरीज में रख सकते हैं, करेक्ट? ओके, and anything like a lion, or I can say a donkey, or these all are object of the animal class. So donkey हमारे एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, ओके, और मंकी भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है, लायन भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है, बट किस कैटेगरीज में आ रहे हैं? ये एनिमल क्लास के कैटेगरीज में आ रहे हैं, ओके। So, class, like you consider a class as an category, basically to categorize similarly like this. Okay, so like Shalu can belong to a person class. Person के अंदर बहुत सारे person के अंदर बहुत सारे नेम आ सकते हैं, right? So there is in a class person, and I can define that a person class, and I have, like, let's suppose you have certain properties, the person can have a certain properties, no, like they can have a height, they can have a weight, they can have a skin color, so all these properties belong to an object, okay, but person class can define a different name, right? Or I can say religion, okay, तो ये सारे हमारे एक प्रॉपर्टीज के अंदर आते हैं, ओके। नाउ व्हेन लेट्स सपोज मेरा शालू इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस पर्सन क्लास, लाइक we can say like this, okay, okay, or maybe you are having your own properties and each person has its own properties, okay. So similarly, a class is basically what holds the properties and the object, what define the properties, okay. So like you can treat the class as a category, as I already told you. So like an animal class or a person class, okay. So they all they all are having a same behavior. So they are grouped into the animal class, like monkey, donkey, lion, all are grouped into the animal class, okay. Okay, so all the people out there are can be belong to a person class, like this we can say, okay. Okay, so So let me show you all this detail into the code, like what I'm talking about and what is the class and how you can create an object out of it and how you can define properties out of it. Okay, so let's create. I have a simple boilerplate Java code, right? And you can already see we have one class that is main. Okay, you can see here, this is the main class. As I this is the oops class. Right now I have created this oops class. Okay, so what we are going to do is basically we are going to create your own classes. Okay, and we are going to create an object of those classes. Okay, so let's take this particular example in which I have taken this animal categories. I will keep all this lion, monkey, donkey, and all this thing I will keep inside this animal. Okay, animal class. So let's suppose I have a class name as animal. Let me rename it animal. Okay, I have created the class as animal. Now you can notice here, like you can notice one thing, that I have kept the first letter of the class as a uppercase, right? So it's very good practice to keep the first letter of your class as a uppercase. Okay, so it should be actually, and this is very basic, and this is good practice. Now let's define some property that animal can have. Okay, so what are those properties? Let's define it. So can I say that animal can have a string property type breed? Yes, absolutely correct, it is. So let's suppose I let me create it here. String animal can have name. Okay, like dog, lion, monkey, donkey, like this. Okay, animal can have breed as well. Okay, and we can define age. Animal can have age also. Okay, so इसमें मैंने सारी प्रॉपर्टीज डिफाइन की है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स क्रिएट अ ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, एनिमल dog equal to, let's suppose Tommy. I'm giving Tommy. So here, no, let's me create first the object, and then dog can have, and here we can create a class animal. And also you can create here as well inside the inner class. If you want to create it, then you can create. So we are using this properties name. Okay, and we can use dot notation. Okay, to access the properties from the animal class. So just write here, and dot you need to write, and you can add here read, and now you can give them as, let's suppose, lab red or, okay. So like this you can access the animal classes and give you can access the properties using the dot operator. So animal एक class हो गया, okay. Let me make it inner class. So you can create an inner class as well, and you can create another classes inside this oops package, okay. So let me create another object as well. Let's suppose right now it's dog. Let me create animal class lion equal to new animal, okay. Again you can give the properties, you can access the properties. So like this you can create the object, okay. So we have same class animal class we have, okay, but different object and different values. Here you can see like this is animal classes, but we have created different object, and we can see we have given a different values, okay. So let me we can access these properties as well, and we can print these properties, okay. So ये हमने क्लास बनाना सीखा, और ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे बनाते हैं वो करना हमने सीखा। और लेट सपोज हम बुक के भी एग्जांपल्स ले सकते हैं। लेट सपोज वी हैव डिफरेंट बुक्स, बट सब बुक क्लास के एक ऑब्जेक्ट हैं। बुक क्लास की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हो सकती हैं, जैसे टाइटल हो गया, पेज हो गया, कैटेगरीज हो गई, ओके। सो इस वीडियो में हमने समझा क्लास जो होता है वो एक तरीके से ब्लूप्रिंट और कैटेगरी जिसको बोल सकते हैं, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज समथिंग लाइक रियल एंटिटी विथ सम वैल्यूज, ओके। एंड वी हैव अंडरस्टूड उफ्स वाया कोड, जो कि बहुत ही रीडेबल होता है, इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड होता है, और मेंटेन करना काफ़ी इजी होता है, ओके। सो this was the basic concept of the oops class and object, and why oops is so much important. So that's it for this video. मिलते हैं next video में. Until then, bye bye and take care. Thank you.